Well, we're back at it. We're going to do our giveaway for the coil springs, the shifter, and the boot. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. Thanks again for watching, by the way. So I want somebody to be lucky winner. So as you can see, I've got everybody that responded. Hopefully you guys can see this. I got you back on my head, so I got my hands. Everybody that responded is in this ticket here. They got to wrote their address on there. I'm going to mix these things up. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of... As you can see, I'm going to turn my head. Hopefully you guys can. And let's see what we got. So I have our lucky winner is, let me take you off my head to make sure we get this, is Carlos Avila 1155. So you will be getting the coil springs and the shifter and the boot. So I'll reach out to you. I think I know how to do that on eBay, but I'm not even sure. I mean on YouTube, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna have to play with that. I've never done that before. So as I said, I'm not a professional at this. I just play amateur on weekends. But thanks again. Everybody hit subscribe, and I will keep the car stuff coming next. So I got another autocross I did this past weekend. We did a Factory 5 get-together up at Canepa, or Canepa Auto Motorsports. You got to see the inside video of this place. Incredible. So I'll try to get this all up in the next week, but I wanted to get these things shipped out. So I'll be reaching out to you, Mr. Carlos Avila, 1155. Thanks again, and yeah, congratulations.